Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by targeting the exact control you want to change: volume, filter cutoff, or any plugin parameter. Right-click that knob and select Create Automation Clip. You'll see a new clip in the playlist. Once it appears, make sure Snap is set to line or grid to keep points tidy. You're not just making moves, you're linking a visual envelope to the parameter so every edit directly controls sound. Now place the clip roughly where the section you want to affect begins. Now you need to sculpt the automation envelope to taste. Add points with left-click and drag them up or down to change values. Think in dB for volume, Hz for filter, or % for mix. Once done, right-click a point to change curve tension or to create a hold for step changes. If the section is too short or long, you stretch on the clip edge to scale timing without warping the shape. Make multiple, small adjustments while playing back to hear precise results. To finish, tidy clips and duplicate or group repeated motions so your arrangement stays organized. Use the playlist track controls to mute or solo the automation lane and compare with the unautomated sound, because small changes can be deceptive. If your automation seems ignored, make sure the plugin parameter is still mapped and the plugin isn't bypassed or focused in a different instance. Sometimes FL Studio targets a different copy. One tip: reopen the plugin and reconfirm the parameter before assuming a bug.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.